Hi, welcome to day 2 of the Snake programming session, I suppose. Of course, I am not scripting or anything like that, and I'm fairly antisocial. I think we both know that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, for as far as the program goes, is I'm going to try and fix the debugging issues that was prior to the issue that we had before. So let's open up the program. Good old Visual Studio. Don't I love it? I decided to change the image size because I noticed that I am not very photogenic. So there's that. Okay, so here's Visual Studio. I am in the debug mode, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to make sure that is still an issue. There's obviously build errors. We knew that last time. And it's saying failure during conversion to COFF. So I already looked that up earlier because I didn't really know what it meant. I did take a hiatus for a while on programming. I really should stop saying So basically, I'm going to try this solution to see if it works. So we're going to go into the properties of our project. Going to go down to the linker, go down to general, I think. Or not. I guess not. Wait, it is general. What? Am I reading wrong? Enable, oh, duh, it's right here. So we're going to just disable that and see if that works. Try the debug once more. Ignored. Did it work? And look, it works. Well, that is a successful relaunch, so we're going to switch to release to see if that makes sure that also works, and that also works. Okay, so now we can do both release and debug, and we're getting the starting screen for SFML. Now, I don't know if I should make this full screen or part screen, windowed mode or whatever. I guess it really determines on how I want it to look. Probably should have planned this out a little bit better. But that did fix the problem prior, so that is a bonus for the day. Now, what we're going to want is a game loop. The problem with game loops is that it's going to be completely based on the processor's speed, which means that every game is going to be different. I'm not really... Oh, there goes my headphone. Not really sure how I would solve that, but Google knows everything, so we're going to just Google it. I think that is a brilliant idea. So, I just Googled Google. Okay, not what I meant to do. So, we're just going to check out some stuff. More research, I suppose. I suppose I should watch some intros using SFML. I know what I did for Pangea's Quest. But I'm not sure that is really the right way to go for this. But we should see. Cable. Well, here's an interesting thing. Game time per frame, seconds, scene clock. So, in order to fix the timing issue, I'm going to have to create my own clock. I only need one headphone. Haha. Okay. So basically you have to measure the time frame between each frame and then estimate how many frames we need. That is interesting. Delta time, that's like the difference per frame. See, this to me is in a different frame of reference because I've never done anything like this before. When I was doing my Pangaea's quest engine, it wasn't nearly as prevalent in the project. Well, that project anyway. So I should read this whole thing, but I probably shouldn't read it while I'm recording. I feel like it'd be just a waste of time. Of course, I could just edit it out, I suppose. I've never really done much as far as recording my work. I tried once before, many years ago, but it really just, I don't know, it unnerved me. I know you guys know that I'm antisocial. I do a lot of my own work. I don't generally work with others. I'm trying to get out of that habit, but when you've been doing it so long, it's not that easy. This looks like it would work, but I don't know how well. So what I'm going to do is just copy and edit to see how well this will do, or mostly just type it out. I wonder if they have a complete copy. This is physics state. I don't really need physics. So I kind of want to just figure out FPS, really. I wonder if SFML has that ability. Hmm. Yes. What is... I can't type right now. Okay, well, I have the window. What I want to do... So they're doing that as a floating point operation. Is everything floating point in SFML? Current time, last time. Okay, the biggest problem with this is it doesn't actually write that. Okay, so using the clock, current time, I could just do C out. What? Oh, am I not using standard? That's why that didn't work. Oy. Let's see if that'll work. That does work. Probably shouldn't be printing that, but what I can do... I can print last time, and then the end line. Oh. And then, yes. Okay, that isn't going to give me any meaningful information. Last time equals current time. Oops. Is that really 1,000 frames a second? If I do this, I go 1 divided by last frame. Oh, shoot. Give me a second. Give me a second. It turns out that I forgot my iPod. So, got that back. Now, what was I doing? Oh, yes. I was trying to figure out frames per second. Well, that's not even readable. Can I pause it? No. Okay. That is not readable. And as long as the window's open, it's constantly going to print the screen. That's inverted. It's too fast. Oh, you know what? I did that. But I was supposed to do this. That's why it wasn't making much sense. Hey, look, negative values. That's obviously not right. Oh, maybe it was just that. Oy vey. I'm guessing that's delta. Accumulator. Time, delta, current time equals Hires time in seconds. Using a render function. Where's the render function? I'm so confused. Okay, well, I'm confused. I'm going to do research, but I think I'll feel more comfortable off screen doing the research. So I'm going to end it here and then come back when I got some ideas. Thank you for watching day 2 of the programming snake session. All right. Wherever I can click the button.